Your business isn't broken, you're just stuck and it's not your fault. My name is Marcel Wasserman and I made this quick little video to explain who I am and what is it that I really do for people. I'm a business coach in South Africa, and the main thing I've seen when people come to me is that I have to help them with their pricing, their structures, their bugs in the business, and more importantly, the actual decision making that goes behind all of this, not to give them more courses, more books, and more information. When business owners come to me, they actually are already successful, and deep down they already know exactly what they need to do. Yes, I help them with the tactical part of the business, the structures, the standard operating procedures, and debugging this whole system. But more importantly, I help them to not be overwhelmed with all of this information, and I help them to make the right decisions fast so that they can actually once more build a life that's fun and enjoyable. The whole reason they set out to build this business in the first place was for that, to build a life that's fun and enjoyable. So really that's what I help business people with. I help them to get through the 7 phases of business, where I help them to organize, to build their leads, to make profit, to create reserves in the business, to create a sales process, and so forth. I too have been in the place where I was a bit overwhelmed, a bit frustrated, and I was about to chuck in the towel. I had 3 properties, numerous investments, and the business growing. But because I did the wrong thing at the wrong time, I didn't actually progress. And that's what I help people with inside my company called Lantern Way. Inside this company, I've developed a coaching system that isn't more information, more courses, but a one-on-one breakthrough process that I help you to really get from point A to point B in a significant and big way. So inside Lantern Way, I have 2 main containers, or 2 products and services, if you will. I have my starting point for business owners earning above $1 million a year. And here it is a free community just so that I can help more people, but it is a high gradient to get in. You need to have a business and already be earning $1 million a year plus. Then for my elite business owners, I have a system and a service called Summit. This is where you join a group of other mastermind members and other people who in a group help each other to get somewhere, and I coach you one-on-one every week for a whole year to make sure that you actually get one of these breakthroughs. So if this is the kind of stuff that's interesting to you, follow my website and find out a little bit more in the links in my bio.